Law against love jihad has divided the BJP in Karnataka. BJP State President Naveen Kumar Katil has said that Karnataka government is going to take strict action to stop love jihad in the state and added that law will always prevail in Karnataka. But in a U-turn, Karnataka Law Minister claimed that no decision had been taken regarding love jihad at a government level and no proposal has come before him. Meanwhile, Karnataka Minister Ashoka slammed the former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and said that the Congress is trying to support the conversation and change the culture which is existing in the state. Earlier, former Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah met a delegation from the Muslim community who expressed fear the government introduces a legislation banning love jihad. Remember, UP remains the only state to have banned love jihad. Karnataka, Assam, Haryana MP are mulling over passing the love jihad law.
ಒಂದು ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಠಿಣವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಿರ್ದಾಕ್ಷಿಣ್ಯವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರಮ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಠಿಣವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ರೂಪನ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೋಹತ್ಯೆ ನಿಷೇಧ ಕಾನೂನನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ತಂದೇ ತರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸಂಶಯ ಬೇಡ, ತಂದೇ ತರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಅಂಶ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಊಹೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟ್ನಿ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್, ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದಂಥ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಾನು?
ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಯಾರು ನಿಷೇಧ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾವ್ರ? ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗೇನಿದ್ರು ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ, ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಇವತ್ತು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಠಿಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಿ.
ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋರು ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫೂಲಿಶ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಕಾನೂನು ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಕಾನೂನು ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್.
All right, this is a love jihad controversy that is brewing in many parts of the BJP-ruled states, not just Karnataka. Nolan Pinto is joining us live from Bengaluru. Nolan, Karnataka becomes another state where this particular controversy is brewing at the moment. But as the opposition leader Siddaramaiah at this point of time says, it is unconstitutional. It goes against the secular fabric of the country.
Well, in fact, the former chief minister and who is currently the leader of the opposition has met members from the Muslim community over here who expressed their fear regarding these two legislations. One is on to ban love jihad, and the other one is to bring in a very stringent cattle slaughter, cow slaughter bill law. Now, what Siddaramaiah actually says is that this legislation will not stand in a court of law because it is unconstitutional. The state cannot tell a person who he or she has to get married to. So this is what is the contentious part over here. However, the BJP over here says that like UP, which has passed an ordinance, Karnataka will study that particular ordinance and bring in a ban of love jihad because they believe that this is what is destroying the culture and tradition of the state, and they do not want that to happen. Furthermore, when you're talking about the cattle slaughter bill or the cow slaughter bill, B.S. Yediyurappa, as the chief minister way back in 2010, had brought in a law. It was very stringent. In fact, it banned all sort of cattle slaughter, but that was put in cold storage when Siddaramaiah became the chief minister. But this time around, they believe that they will bring it out of cold storage and get it passed. So we just have to see what tamasha or drama begins tomorrow onwards when the session starts in Karnataka.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Nolan, for bringing us up to speed with the very latest on the story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.